सेंटरान नोटिफाय केला, आमकां आदेशूय दिला 15 years व्हेकल जे आसा ते स्क्रॅप करपा जाय म्हणून. लँड इज येट टू बी आयडेंटिफायड एंड nobody has so far come forward. We have asked people to give EOI, expression of interest. Once we publish that EOI, 15 years this, even Kadamba has already been instructed. That's how we have to replace so many buses. We are conscious of that and we are doing it.
Sir, what about heritage vehicle and all?
No, heritage vehicle, there is a different law altogether. Are there, obviously, automatically, your charging stations are bound to come up and they will come. We are ourselves, as the government, we have identified several places where we are going to have the charging stations.
सर एकूच आता प्रायव्हेट व्हेकल्स आणि खूप जणांचे असे व्हेकल्स असतात की ते व्हेरी रेअरली चलयतात, म्हणजे पोल्युशन 15 वर्सां तरी जाल्ली ती गाडी त्यांची एकदम बरी असतात, सो त्यांच्या बद्दल काही जावचें नाका म्हणटा.
पळय, रूल आहा तो 15 वर्सांचो. गाडी कितली बरी दवरली म्हणून आमकां ते बदल करपाक मेळना. Let us be very clear on this. These are exceptions to the rule, but we can't. That is the law.
जागो आयडेंटिफाय करपाक
ना, we are in the process, बाबा. Because फाल्यां तुमचेच माध्यमसून येतले, हिंगा पोल्युशन जावपाचें आसा, हिंगा घालपाचें ना, परत जातलें न्हू. सो तेका लागून we have to, it has to be a carefully calibrated decision, carefully thought out location. All that we have to see.